The gaming laptop I'm going to show you in this video includes the top picks from experts that I found while searching all over the web. I've got options for tight budgets, regular budgets, a gaming laptop for creators, one that's perfect for most gamers, and the best big screen gaming laptop. All these laptops are awesome and come with great specs that will blow your mind. You can find all the links to the laptops in the description below. So let's check them out. The first one is for those on a tight budget. This is the Acer Nitro V laptop. It's the best budget gaming laptop you've ever seen. It comes with a 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H processor, 8GB DDR5 RAM, a 512GB Gen 4 SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 75-watt GPU. The performance of this laptop is amazing. It can handle any AAA game with good playable FPS, as you can see. You can even do heavy editing on it, like 2K video editing. I've personally used this laptop and its performance blew me away. In fact, I've edited some videos for this channel on this very laptop. It has a 15.6-inch FHD IPS anti-glare display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 64% sRGB. The display is pretty solid for its price. Sure, it's not high-end, but it's more than enough for gaming. That 144Hz refresh rate makes a big difference for gamers. The battery life is around 4 to 5 hours, which is okay for a gaming laptop. If you're doing lighter tasks, you might even get a bit more battery life. The port selection is great. You'll get all the must-have ports. The 720p HD webcam is decent and clear, which is perfect for video calls or casual streaming. Now, the keyboard doesn't have RGB backlighting, which is kind of a bummer. I know most gamers love that RGB vibe, but hey, for this price, we can't complain too much. Overall, this laptop is perfect for budget gamers or casual users like students who want a gaming laptop for gaming and other tasks. It's got everything you need without breaking the bank. The second one is the best budget gaming laptop. Not a super tight budget, but still a great budget option. This is the MSI Cyborg. If you can spend a little more than the previous laptop's price, then you should definitely consider this one. It's got a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H processor, which is way better than the one in the previous laptop. Plus, it comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, more than the last one, a 512GB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 with 6GB of VRAM. The performance on this thing is more powerful than the Acer Nitro laptop. It has better specs overall. You can easily play heavy AAA games on 1080p with this laptop. It'll handle them like a champ. And not just gaming. You can also do your heavy professional work on it without any issues. It has a 15.6 inches FHD IPS anti-glare display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 45% NTSC color gamut. The display is good for gaming, but the color accuracy is pretty basic. If you want a display with better colors and high refresh rates, you might want to grab a $100 monitor to pair with it. The battery life is around 4 to 5 hours, depending on how much you push it. The port selection is good, as you can see on the screen, and it even has a 720p HD webcam. Sure, it's not 1080p, but at this price, you can't expect that. Overall, this is the best budget gaming laptop out there. If you can spend $800 on a gaming laptop, this one is a much better choice than the previous one I showed you. If you want a gaming laptop, but your main priority is professional work like video editing and photo editing, then this laptop is made for you. Introducing the Gigabyte Aro 16 OLED, an absolute beast. This laptop comes with some amazing specs. It's powered by an Intel Core i7-13700H processor, has 16GB DDR5 RAM, a 1TB Gen 4 SSD, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4078GB GDDR6 GPU. While the specs are similar to some budget laptops, the GPU here is way more powerful. It can handle any AAA games you throw at it, and since it's designed for professionals, it can handle heavy projects like 2K editing with ease. Even 4K editing is possible, though you might experience some minor lag. Plus, 3D modeling? No problem at all. It's smooth because of that killer GPU. Now let's talk about the display. This is where it shines for creators. It features a 16-inch 4K UHD plus IPS OLED display with 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy and is TUV certified. This display is a dream for anyone into creative work. But keep in mind, the refresh rate is just 60 Hz, which is expected given the display's specs. The port selection? Absolutely perfect. You'll find all the must-haves here. As for battery life, it lasts around 5 to 6 hours. Not the longest, but considering it has such an amazing display and a beast GPU, it's a fair trade-off. And yes, it also has a full HD 1080p webcam, which is a nice bonus. Overall, this laptop isn't for those those who want to game full-time. It's for people who need a powerhouse for professional work and want to game occasionally. If that sounds like you, then this laptop is the perfect pick. If you have a good budget, then this laptop is for you. It's also one of the best gaming laptops for most gamers. It's the Legion Pro 5 iGen 9. This beast comes with an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, an amazing and super latest processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, M2 PCIe Gen 4, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU with 8GB GDDR6. These specs are everything a gamer needs, especially if you're not playing competitively. The performance is absolutely amazing. It can handle any AAA game at 1080p with ease, and you can even enjoy gaming at 1440p with good FPS. Plus, it's powerful enough to take on heavy tasks thanks to the processor and GPU. Now let's talk about the display. It's a 16-inch WQXGA IPS anti-glare screen with 100% sRGB, 300 nits brightness, and a 165 Hz refresh rate. The display is big, smooth, and colorful, perfect for taking your gaming experience to the next level. The battery lasts about 4 to 5 hours, which is pretty normal for gaming laptops. And the laptop has all the must-have ports on the back and sides, so you're covered there. Oh, and the webcam is 1080p FHD, which is awesome if you're into streaming. Overall, this laptop is perfect for gamers who don't want something ultra expensive but still want powerful specs. It can handle any game you throw at it, has a stunning display, and comes at a reasonable price. Right now, it's $1,149 on Lenovo's store. It usually sells for around $1,400, so if your budget is around $1,000, definitely consider this one. This laptop is perfect for anyone who wants a big screen gaming laptop. Meet the Alienware M18 R2, and trust me, it's got some insane specs for gaming. It's powered by a 14th gen Intel Core i9-14900HX, 32GB DDR5 RAM, a 1TB M2 PCIe NVMe SSD, and the star of the show, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 with 8GB GDDR6. This laptop is an absolute beast for gaming. The 14th gen processor and RTX 4080 GPU make sure you can handle any game at 2K resolution with great FPS. You can see its gaming performance right on your screen. Plus, it's not just for gaming. You can easily do professional work on it and be amazed by its massive display. Speaking of the display, it's an 18-inch QHD plus 165 Hz panel with Comfort View Plus, NVIDIA G-Sync Plus DDS, and 100% DCI-P3. This means vibrant colors, smooth refresh rates, and an overall amazing viewing experience. It's seriously one of the best big displays for gaming. Now let's talk battery life. It's about 4 to 5 hours, which is pretty standard for a gaming laptop. It also comes with a 1080p FHD HDR RGB IR camera and dual array microphones, making it perfect for streaming or video calls. The port selection? Absolutely top-notch. Everything a gamer could need. And the build quality? Super solid. The keyboard has Alien FX RGB backlit keys, and the trackpad feels great to use. Overall, this laptop has everything you need as a gamer. Powerful specs, a massive display, and high FPS for all your favorite games. If you want all that, plus a big screen experience, this is the laptop for you. So, these are the top 5 gaming laptops you should check out based on your budget and needs. Of course, there are many more amazing laptops out there, but including all of them in this video is tough. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you didn't, let me know in the comments what I could improve. It'll help me a lot. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.